The train on platform 1 goes to Town Hall via East Hills. First stop Minto, then Ingleburn, Macquarie Field, Glenfield, Oldsworthy, East Hills, then all stations to Riverwood, then Kingsgrove, Walleye Creek International Airport, Domestic Airport, Museum, St James, and Town Hall.
Yeah.